VY Canis Majoris is one of the largest known stars in the universe. It is a red hypergiant star. This means it is much bigger than our Sun. Astronomers are very interested in this star. It helps them learn about the life and death of massive stars. VY Canis Majoris is special because of its size. It is much larger than most stars. It also changes in brightness. This makes it a variable star. Variable stars are important for studying how stars evolve over time. The star is in the constellation Canis Major. This name means greater dog in Latin. People have known about this constellation for a long time. The star itself is not visible to the naked eye, but with a telescope it becomes a fascinating object to study. Understanding VY Canis Majoris can help scientists learn about other giant stars. These stars are rare and do not live very long. By studying them, astronomers can understand more about the universe. VY Canis Majoris is located in the constellation Canis Major. This constellation is in the southern sky. It is one of the 88 modern constellations recognized by the International Astronomical Union. Canis Major is famous for containing Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky. The distance from Earth to VY Canis Majoris is very large. It is about 3,900 light-years away. A light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year. This means the light we see from VY Canis Majoris left the star almost 4,000 years ago. That is a very long time ago. Finding VY Canis Majoris in the sky can be challenging. It is not visible without a telescope. However, astronomers have mapped its location. They use this information to study the star in detail. The star is located near the edge of the Milky Way galaxy. The location of VY Canis Majoris makes it an interesting star to observe. It is in a part of the sky with many other interesting objects. This allows astronomers to study it along with other nearby stars. VY Canis Majoris is a huge star, one of the largest known. Its radius is about 1,420 times that of the Sun. If placed at the center of our solar system, it would extend beyond Jupiter's orbit. It is about 17 times the mass of the Sun. It is 270,000 times more luminous than the Sun. Its surface temperature is about 3,500 degrees Celsius. This is why it appears red. These characteristics make it fascinating for astronomers. VY Canis Majoris is a variable star. This means its brightness changes over time. The changes in brightness are not regular. Sometimes the star is brighter, and sometimes it is dimmer. This variability is caused by changes in the star's outer layers. The star's variability makes it an interesting object to study. Astronomers observe the changes in brightness to learn more about the star's behavior. They use special instruments to measure the light coming from the star. These measurements help them understand what is happening on the star's surface. One reason for the variability is that the star is losing mass. VY Canis Majoris is shedding its outer layers into space. This creates a cloud of gas and dust around the star. The cloud can block some of the star's light, making it appear dimmer. When the cloud moves, the star becomes brighter again. The study of variable stars like VY Canis Majoris helps astronomers learn about the life cycles of stars. By understanding why stars change in brightness, scientists can learn more about the processes happening inside and around these stars. Life cycle of VY Canis Majoris. The life cycle of VY Canis Majoris is complex. It started as a cloud of gas and dust. Gravity pulled the gas and dust together to form a star. As a red hypergiant, it is in the later stages of its life. Now it burns heavier elements like helium and carbon. Eventually, it will reach the end of its life. It will explode in a supernova. What remains will become a neutron star or a black hole. Section 6. Scientific research on VY Canis Majoris. Scientists are very interested in VY Canis Majoris. They study it to learn more about giant stars. Research on VY Canis Majoris helps scientists understand how massive stars form, live, and die. This research also helps scientists learn about the elements created by these stars. One area of research is the star's mass loss. Scientists study how VY Canis Majoris loses its outer layers. This process is important for understanding how stars evolve. The mass loss also affects the star's future as a supernova. Another area of research is the star's variability. Scientists study the changes in brightness to learn more about the star's behavior. They use special instruments to measure the light from the star. These measurements help scientists understand the processes happening on and around the star. Research on VI Canis Majoris also helps scientists understand the universe. By studying giant stars, scientists learn about the elements created in stars. These elements are important for the formation of planets and life. VI Canis Majoris is a key object in this research. Section 7. Tools used to study VI Canis Majoris. Astronomers use many tools to study VI Canis Majoris. One important tool is the telescope. Telescopes allow astronomers to see the star in detail. They can measure the star's brightness, temperature, and size. There are many types of telescopes, including optical, infrared, and radio telescopes. Another important tool is the spectrometer. A spectrometer measures the light from the star. It breaks the light into different colors, or spectra. By studying the spectra, scientists can learn about the star's composition. They can also learn about the star's temperature and movement. Computers are also important tools for studying VI Canis Majoris. Astronomers use computers to analyze data from telescopes and spectrometers. They create models to understand the star's behavior. These models help scientists predict what will happen to the star in the future. Satellites are another tool used to study VI Canis Majoris. Satellites can observe the star from space. This allows them to see details that are not visible from Earth. Satellites can also measure different types of light, such as ultraviolet and X-rays. These measurements help scientists understand the star's high-energy processes. Section 8. VI Canis Majoris in culture. VI Canis Majoris has a special place in culture. It is not as famous as some other stars, but it has still captured people's imagination. The star's immense size and brightness make it a fascinating object. It is often featured in documentaries and science shows. In science fiction, VI Canis Majoris is sometimes used as a setting. Writers imagine what it would be like to visit a giant star. They create stories about spaceships and explorers traveling to the star. These stories help people learn about the star in an entertaining way. The star is also used in educational materials. Teachers use VI Canis Majoris to explain concepts about stars and the universe. Students learn about the star's size, brightness, and life cycle. This helps them understand the science of astronomy. VI Canis Majoris is a symbol of the wonders of the universe. It reminds people of the vastness and beauty of space. By learning about the star, people can appreciate the complexity and mystery of the cosmos. Section 9. Importance of studying VI Canis Majoris. Studying VI Canis Majoris is important for many reasons. It helps scientists understand giant stars. These stars are rare and have unique characteristics. By studying VI Canis Majoris, scientists can learn about the extremes of star formation and evolution. Research on VI Canis Majoris also helps scientists understand the elements created in stars. These elements are important for the formation of planets and life. By studying the star's mass loss and supernova, scientists learn about the creation of new elements. The star's variability is another important area of study. By understanding why the star changes in brightness, scientists can learn about the processes happening inside and around the star. This helps them understand the life cycles of stars. Finally, studying VI Canis Majoris helps scientists understand the universe. By learning about giant stars, scientists can learn about the history and future of the cosmos. VI Canis Majoris is a key object in this research. Section 10. Conclusion: Understanding stars and the universe. VI Canis Majoris is a fascinating and important star. Its immense size and brightness make it a unique object in the universe. By studying VI Canis Majoris, scientists can learn about the life and death of giant stars. This research helps us understand the elements created in stars and the processes happening in the cosmos. The star's variability and mass loss provide important clues about the behavior of massive stars. The tools used to study VI Canis Majoris, such as telescopes and spectrometers, allow scientists to gather detailed information about the star. This information helps scientists create models and make predictions about the star's future. VI Canis Majoris also has a place in culture and education. It is featured in documentaries, science fiction, and educational materials. By learning about the star, people can appreciate the wonders of the universe. Studying VY Canis Majoris helps us understand the complexity and beauty of the cosmos.